We all want our home to look and smell its best, and I'm always looking for ways to make my home look and smell beautifully. And the key to getting the best fragrances for your home is to use the right scents. Room sprays, as you know, is always great to have on hand, but they just don't last long. Thanks to Dimensions for sponsoring this video, I will be sharing personalized fragrances for your home and decor, and I also will be sharing this beautiful Christmas tree in my home office. Dimensions is a brand new brand that delivers personalized home fragrances to customers, allowing them to build self-expression through scent in their home. You can create your personalized fragrance box, including a diffuser, 3 refills, up to 4 months. And with the holidays around the corner in just a few weeks, I'm looking for some relaxation in between planning and juggling work as much as possible. They have a wonderful collection of fall and holiday fragrances to choose from, and with the holidays on our heels, this will make the perfect holiday gift. Inside your fragrance box, you will get a thank you card along with a personalized herbal notes and instructions, along with an ultrasonic diffuser fragrance plug-in with 3 crafted scents. Refill up to 4 months of your personalized fragrance. So here are my 3 fragrances that I personally personalized, and I love that I can express myself through scents. Here's an up-close look at the ultrasonic diffuser that also comes in other colors: black dark wood, which is beautiful, white bamboo, and white light wood, which is what you see here, and it also comes with AA batteries. This diffuser is programmable, 8 cycles going on standby until the next day, with easy rest and adjustable duration and frequency of mist. The blue LED light will show up on top of the diffuser when the light is turned on and when it's releasing the mist. I love using my new Dimensions diffuser. It's my scent and my story. You can check out DimensionsFragrance.com and enter my code BeMyGuest30 for 30% off, and that link will be down below in my description box. There is something about the lights on Christmas trees that relaxes me. We have one in our family room, so why not have one in my home office? This is my personal space and I can make it as girly as I want it. Blush pink ornaments and pink flowers are my fave. But if you're on my Instagram, you may have seen where I posted this picture last year of our guest bedroom. I added a pencil tree in the space. Leave me a comment if you would like to see a guest room tour down below. My inspiration comes from everywhere, but this pillow is so fabulous and it's from TJ Maxx. The detail on this pillow is so beautiful, it complements my tree perfectly. The flock tree is from Walmart and I love it, and my ornaments and blingy flowers are from At Home Stores, which, by the way, you will see me in this month's mailer. These trees are from Michael's Stores and I got them a few years ago on clearance, and I got these gift boxes from Target. Every morning when I enter my office, before I even open emails, I always pray and then I'll have my coffee. Motivational quotes can only change my life for good, and in my life experience, optimism and faith always lead to achievement, and I often sprinkle inspirational quotes around me because it actually relaxes me. And I have them on my file folders. Mostly all of my day planners and calendars have inspirational quotes on them as well, and my planner gets a lot of use on the daily, so it's a constant reminder for me to stay focused. So one of my favorite quotes is, "She believed she could, so she did." And this month's quote is, "You got this." To also help you relax, take advantage of nature's gift by opening the blinds and enjoy the sunlight. Your space will have a peaceful feeling with all the sunlight. Personalize your space to help you relax. I like to add a comfortable pillow to my chair and a throw in case I get cold. As you can imagine, lately I've been putting in some long late night hours, so I would dim my lights while having a hot cup of coffee and listen to a little jazz, making the best out of working. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you all for watching.